Hello my beautiful friends, before we start, here are the good and bad of the Amazfit Active. First, the Amazfit Active Pros. Strong quality AMOLED screen. Good mix of smartwatch features. Long battery life of up to 2 weeks. Lightweight design. Accurate GPS tracking. AI-powered Zepp Coach for personalized coaching. And now the Amazfit Active cons. Some features locked behind subscription. GPS and heart rate tracking accuracy not exceptional. AI-powered features not super slick. Limited color options for men. The band may feel irritable on the wrist during extended wear. Bluetooth calling clarity may be compromised in noisy environments. So who is the Amazfit Active ideally for? The Amazfit Active is ideally suited for individuals looking for a stylish, lightweight smartwatch with a focus on health and fitness features. It is perfect for those who value long battery life, accurate GPS tracking, and a sleek design. The Amazfit Active boasts a design that combines simplicity and functionality, catering to users seeking a sleek and lightweight smartwatch. With a square dial and gently curved case corners, the design is minimalistic yet modern, offering a compact and lightweight feel on the wrist. The smartwatch is available in 3 color options, including midnight black, petal pink, and lavender purple, providing users with choices to suit their style preferences. In terms of build quality, the Amazfit Active features an aluminum alloy body with a stainless steel option, available in lavender purple, ensuring durability without compromising on weight. The smartwatch weighs just 24 grams, making it comfortable for all-day wear, while the silicone strap or vegan leather option in lavender purple adds a touch of elegance to the design. Additionally, the Amazfit Active is waterproof up to 50 meters, making it suitable for swimming, showering, and everyday activities, enhancing its versatility and durability for users with active lifestyles. The Amazfit Active impresses users with its vibrant and functional display features. Boasting a 1.75-inch AMOLED screen, it provides a clear and vivid viewing experience. With a resolution of 390 by 450 pixels and a pixel density of 341 pixels per inch, the display delivers sharp and detailed visuals. The device offers adjustable brightness levels for good visibility indoors and outdoors, even in bright sunlight. Equipped with tempered glass and an anti-fingerprint coating, the touchscreen of the Amazfit Active is responsive and sensitive to touch gestures, enhancing user interaction. While specific details on an always-on display feature are not provided, the AMOLED screen likely supports this functionality, allowing users to glance at their watch without waking it up. Overall, the Amazfit Active's display quality shines through its large AMOLED screen, high resolution, excellent touch sensitivity, and visibility in various light conditions. The Amazfit Active smartwatch offers a user-friendly experience with some notable features and considerations. Ease of setup and initial configuration. Users find the setup process relatively straightforward, allowing for quick configuration to get started with the device. Intuitiveness of the user interface. The Amazfit Active's user interface is generally intuitive, providing easy navigation and access to various features and settings. Customizability options. Users can personalize their experience with customizable watch faces and settings, enhancing the aesthetic appeal and functionality of the smartwatch. Issues encountered during usage. Some users have reported minor drawbacks such as GPS accuracy not being exceptional and occasional lag in certain features, but overall the device provides a smooth performance for daily use. The Amazfit Active smartwatch offers a balanced blend of performance and software features tailored for users seeking a versatile device that excels in both smartwatch functionalities and fitness tracking capabilities. While specific details on the processor and the RAM are not provided, the Amazfit Active is designed to deliver smooth performance across various tasks such as fitness tracking, notifications, and app usage. Operating on a proprietary system, the smartwatch integrates a range of smartwatch health, fitness, and sports features to provide users with a comprehensive and engaging experience. Users can expect a seamless and responsive navigation experience with the Amazfit Active, ensuring smooth interaction with the device's interface and features. Additionally, the Amazfit Active incorporates unique software features such as AI-powered tools like Zepp Coach and Zepp Aura for personalized coaching and insights, along with basic navigation functionalities, route imports, and a variety of sports modes to cater to diverse user needs. The Amazfit Active smartwatch offers impressive battery performance with up to 14 days of battery life under typical usage and a quick charging time of around 2 hours. The device also features power-saving modes that extend its battery life, providing users with flexibility in managing power consumption based on their needs and usage patterns. Real-world performance aligns closely with the manufacturer's claims, offering reliable battery longevity for daily use. Amazfit Active smartwatch offers a diverse range of health and fitness tracking features, although there are some variations in accuracy and performance. While the heart rate monitoring may be less precise compared to chest strap monitors, impacting training insights, the device generally provides daily step counts in line with other devices, despite occasional discrepancies of up to 2,000 steps. The built-in GPS functionality stands out for its accuracy and performance, offering precise navigation and route tracking capabilities, including the ability to import routes for detailed navigation. With a variety of workout modes, training plans, and predicted running time calculations, the Amazfit Active caters to a wide range of workout needs. Users can access numerous sports modes to tailor to their fitness routines effectively. Additionally, the smartwatch's integration with popular health apps like Strava, Komoot, Apple Health, and Google Fit enhances its compatibility and data sharing capabilities. This seamless integration allows users to track their health and fitness data across platforms, enhancing their overall fitness journey. Amazfit Active smartwatch offers a range of connectivity and compatibility features to enhance the user experience. With Bluetooth connectivity, the device is compatible with iOS devices, allowing users to receive call notifications directly on their smartwatch. While the smartwatch lacks cellular connectivity capabilities, it provides seamless integration with smartphones for essential features. Compatible with both Android 7.0 and higher, as well as iOS devices like iPhones, iPads, and iPod Touch, the Amazfit Active ensures broad capability across popular mobile platforms. This compatibility allows users to sync their smartwatch with their preferred devices, enhancing convenience and accessibility. However, while the smartwatch supports call notifications, it does not feature a microphone and speaker for making or answering calls directly from the watch. Overall, the connectivity options of the Amazfit Active cater to users seeking a smartwatch that seamlessly integrates with their smartphones. By offering Bluetooth connectivity for call notifications and compatibility with both Android and iOS devices, the Amazfit Active ensures users can stay connected while enjoying its health and fitness tracking capabilities. Amazfit Active is priced at 149 Great British pounds and $129 US, positioning it in the mid-range smartwatch category alongside competitors like Fitbit Versa 4 and Garmin's offerings. It boasts a 1.75-inch AMOLED screen display, up to 2 weeks of battery life, and built-in Alexa functionality. The watch is lightweight, waterproof up to 50 meters, and available in 3 colors. In terms of value for money, the Amazfit Active competes well with other smartwatches in its price range, offering a good mix of smartwatch and fitness features. While it has some standout qualities like a strong quality screen, and a good collection of features, there are areas where it falls short, such as GPS and a heart rate tracking accuracy not being exceptional. Overall, Amazfit Active provides an affordable option for those seeking a feature-packed smartwatch that balances smartwatch and health fitness functionalities effectively.